You're seeing this video because your Sky box isn't connected to the internet. If you haven't got broadband, you can get it at sky.com/shop. If you've got a Sky Plus box, go to sky.com/connect plus. If you've got a Sky Q box and broadband already, press Home on your Sky Q remote. Go to Settings, then Setup. Next, go to Network, then Reset. Your box will check your network, then choose Confirm. If you've got a Sky Hub, go to Connect to Sky Broadband Wi-Fi and do the steps on screen. If your router is from another provider, go to Connect to Wi-Fi from another broadband provider and follow those steps. For more information, go to sky.com/help.